Hello, thanks for joining us. My name is Miranda. This video will cover the GT500 hanging sump. The GT hanging sump is moderate in noise, dependable, and arrives completely assembled, ready to operate. It features a reliable rear feed blade system and a sump module that recycles wastewater, conserves water, and eliminates the need for a drain line. Here you see the unit's front guard, UV stabilized housing, hanging sump, stainless steel rear guard and frame assembly, and the industrial grade washdown duty motor. Here you have the unit's watertight on-off switch box, water inlet, and the flow control valve which regulates fogging output. Let me show you how these units atomize water to create that incredible fog. Water is fed under ordinary pressure to the sump, where the float valve controls the water level. The small internal pump sends water up to the fogging head. The water is directed to the rear of the blade assembly where it enters a reservoir. The blade's rotation divides the water into internal passageways that extend the length of each blade. The water exits near the end of each blade, where it meets a pinned venturi at high speed to complete the atomization. Any unused water from the fogging head flows back into the sump to be recycled. The result is very fine atomization, with one moving part and no nozzles. The powerful airflow generated speeds up evaporation and aids in circulation. In short, our foggers use a simple but cost-effective process that offers many advantages. The GT500 hanging sump arrives fully assembled and it's easy to install. Once installed, simply position the unit's fogging head and connect the water and power supply lines. We have accessories to fit almost every application. Oscillators for sweeping units during operation, control packages for automation, and a selection of supports and stands for installation. If your operation needs a dependable, energy-efficient atomizer that reuses and conserves water, the GT500 hanging sump is an excellent choice for you. Now let's see this unit in action. We're in Jaybird's testing area to demonstrate the GT500 hanging sump. We use a black background and covered lights to help illuminate the fog. Okay, go ahead and turn the unit on. The unit is fogging at 5 gallons per hour, a very popular fogging rate for interior humidification. As you can see, the fog is extremely fine and evaporating quickly. An excellent quality fog with water particles averaging under 15 microns in size. Let's up it to 10 gallons per hour. At this high fogging output, quality is still amazingly fine, with measurable particles averaging around 20 microns in size. Any wastewater collected by the housing is directed back into the sump to be reused. This eliminates the need for a drainage line. Okay, up it to 15 gallons per hour. A massive amount of cool fog, perfectly suited for greenhouses or outdoor event cooling. What you're seeing equates to 8 tons of evaporative cooling from a unit that draws only 3.5 amps of energy. If you have questions about the GT500 hanging sump or would like to place an order, check out our website or give us a call. Thanks for watching.